Are you looking for the best outdoor speakers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best outdoor speakers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Kicker KB6000 two-way full-range indoor-outdoor marine speakers. This speaker with 17x15 by 10 inches weighs about 15.2 pounds. You can hit your favorite beat and music while enjoying an indoor and outdoor parties with your friends. With a maximum power of 150 watts and RMS power of 75 watts, these black speakers can produce excellent beat. It's a two-way speakers with 16.5 woofer and 5.1 by 1.7 tweeter components per closure. This black speakers can be used both outdoor and indoor. Whether you want it to use while having a party or while working in your backyard, these speakers can be your companion. With as great sound, I am sure that you will enjoy in using this best outdoor speaker. At number 4. AP Portable Wireless Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. With weight of 11.5 ounces and product dimension of 7.3 by 2.8 by 4.5 inches, this best outdoor speaker is perfect for camping, outdoor, indoor parties and a lot more fun activities. Its features include a high-definition stereo sound with an impressive volume. Its 5W speakers stream sound with full-range output which enables a powerful and bass-rich music. The built-in mic of this speaker helps you to pick up a call conveniently. It can live up to 10 hours of playtime but depending also on your music volume. The dual high-performance drivers and passive subwoofer will let you to enjoy a full and high-definition sound. This Bluetooth speaker which is waterproof as well as perfect for camping, walking, biking and other outdoor activities. You can bring and enjoy it by yourself or with your greatest companion. With its easy-to-carry feature, it will not be a problem to bring this speaker. However, its size might not enough for an indoor party because it's a bit small. At number 3. Bose 251 Environmental Outdoor Speakers, Black. This black best outdoor speaker from Bose has a dimension of 4.5 x 6 by 12.4 inches and weighs of 20.2 pounds. This environmental speaker delivers balanced stereo over a wider space so it might suit to mount at your backyard, poolside or any part of your home. It has a multi-chamber bass enclosure for low-frequency energy. It can withstand between -22 to 140 degree temperature plus it can be connected easily to stereo components or any lifestyle system. These pair of speakers is small but they are a bit heavy. However, they are still portable because they have a smaller sizes compared to other outdoor speakers. It has a good quality stereo and just like other outdoor speaker, this one can stand against almost all weather condition. This is best suited to mount in the walls or any upper surfaces. At number 2. JBL Control by 5.25, Indoor-Outdoor Speaker, Pair, Black. This pair of JBL Black speaker is perfect for indoor and outdoor mounting. It is a powerful all-weather speaker for home and business use. It has high-definition imaging waveguide, HDI, that provides outstanding imaging in natural balance and remarkable detail from any location. From its color, shape, dimension and weight, it will surely fit to any part of your house or to any place you want to bring it with. Its physical features includes the all-new design echoes with an updated spin to control outside factors, sleek angled profile for a more modern look with front and rear protective trim. This speaker produces good and clean sound which is perfect for any occasion. The integration of its system gold blinding post terminals will secure a high-quality connection to its receiver or multi-zone amplifier. Includes bracket that will enable you to tilt and rotate it to its listeners. At number 1. Polk Audio Atrium 4 Outdoor Speakers. These best outdoor speaker are bigger in size but light in weight. It only weighs 3.6 pounds so you can carry it anywhere you want to. It is weather resistant and in fact, it exceeds the baseline industrial and military specifications for environmental endurance. It has a baffle broad design that can fill a large open outdoor space. It produces good stereo sounds and easy to install as well. This pair of speaker from Polk Audio Atrium will surely resist to any weather condition. The weight is also quite surprising than what I expected. This speaker performs well, however, is not as stylish as other. Nevertheless, with its good performance and features, this deserves to be part of your best choice. You can also check out our list of the best Bluetooth speakers waterproof. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.